Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in Kingston. House number 1. This is a 5-bedroom 4-bathroom house located on Melwood Avenue in the community of Cherry Gardens, Kingston. This house is currently being sold at a cost of $1.35 million US. And from here we're going on the inside. First we have the living area. Dining area. And that is then followed by the kitchen. We're now going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, and this is the fourth bedroom. We move on to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, third bathroom, and this is the fourth bathroom. From here we head to the back of the house. And that would end house number 1. House number 2. This is a 5-bedroom 6-bathroom house found on Temple Mead in the Barbican area, Kingston 6. The size of this house is approximately 5,640 square feet and is for sale at a cost of $1.25 million US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area, dining area, and next is the kitchen. We're then going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. This house has 5 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 5 were shown. Followed by that we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, and this is the second bathroom. This house has 6 bathrooms, but only 2 out of the 6 were shown. Lastly, we have the balcony. And that will be the end of house number 2. House number 3. This is a 4-bedroom 4-bathroom house located on Chameleon Close in the Kingston 8 area. The size of this house is approximately 3,500 square feet and it was sold at a cost of $149.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area. Next is the dining area. Next is the kitchen. We move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, and this is the fourth bedroom. Up next we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom, second bathroom, third bathroom, and this is the fourth bathroom. Next is the study, and here are a few images just showing the layout of the interior of the house. We then move from here and head to the backyard. Here we have the pool and an outdoor gazebo. And that would be the end of house number 3. House number 4. This is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom house found in Whispering Woods, Kingston 8. The square footage of this house is approximately 5,000 square feet and is for sale at a cost of $950,000 US. Let's take a closer look at this property. As we go on the inside, we have the living area. Here we have a TV room. Followed by that is the dining area. And next is the kitchen. We're now going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is the fourth bedroom. Unfortunately for the bathrooms, there were no images provided. That would then end house number 4. House number 5. This 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom townhouse is found in Dillsbury Manor in the Kingston 6 area. The size of this house is approximately 3,200 square feet and is for sale at a cost of $880,000 US. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living area. Dining area, and next is the kitchen. Followed by that is a study area. We're now going to take a look at the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is the fourth bedroom. Unfortunately for the bathrooms, there were no images provided. Lastly, we have the patio. And that would end house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the tour. If you were interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I will be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.